community activities. Right now, government is in the midst of constructing roads to bridge communities, to make one community accessible to another. Why would government be scared of community radio stations? It's not. Like we say, we have it on our agenda to license community radio stations. Keep an eye on the government gazette starting this Friday. Like I said before, we have removed the words pirate radio stations from our vocabulary. But we hope that everybody will do things within the law and will get licenses to broadcast and operate in Zimbabwe. Because that's constitutionalism and that is the rule of law. So, there is no reason really for radio stations to stop tensions between people of diverse political persuasions, between government and these people. No, between people of religious, different religious persuasions. There is no need. That is abusing the platforms that we have. And the natural resource, or national resource, as someone said, as we know, frequencies are that. So, going forward, we will license faith-based stations, because that's government policy. We will license campus-based stations. We will license language-based stations. Those are all communities. So, in short, we will license communist radio stations.